In this video, I will share with you how to add a second language in your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website you want to add a new language in or on, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website, and as you see, it is in the English language. So let's say that I want to add a new language for this website. First, go to click on these three dots or more settings, select multi-language. Here you can add multiple languages from this list. These are the available languages that you can select from. This list of language is very generous. For this video, I will add the Arabic language, so I will select it from this list. And here directly you will see a new language added. Now it is, let's say since my website is in English, I will also add the English language, add language. Here I will make the default one. In order to make the English is the default, I will click on this little circle and select make default. Now pick the language icon for each language. For English, I will go with, for example, the United States. And for the Arabic, I will go with let's say, let's pick the Egypt country flag. Now, as you see, all added languages require manual translation, and online store pages are not translatable. So close this window, click on Update Website, and let's view my website live. The English is selected by default, and if I select Arabic, as you see, I was transferred to this AR or language folder. As you see, the Arabic version of my website is still showing English. So now I can start editing or translating my website pages. To do that, just go back to the website builder, and from here you will, next to the desktop icon, you will see the language switcher from here. Now this is the English and this is the second language. Now I can start editing my second language website version. So to start with the header, select it, or yes, go to pages and navigation. Here I can rename shop. In Arabic means Matjar. Click on confirm. Same thing for this page. استمرارية. Click on save and keep editing. And same thing for the website or the page's content. Here handmade ceramics, I will call it Sana Yadawi. This is Arabic, and here now update your website. Let's view my website live. As always, my website starts in its original language, English, and I can switch to Arabic from here. As you see, now the Arabic version of my website is showing. Now, a really important step that I recommend you to do is to language attribute your second language of your website. As you see, what is a language attribute in website? The language attribute in website development is an HTML attribute that specifies the natural language of the content within an HTML or element or an entire web page. It helps user agents like browsers, screen readers, and search engine understand and handle the content more effectively. So since the second language of this website became Arabic, I need to attribute that. Go back to the Hostinger website builder. Make sure to select your second language or the correct language from the language switcher. Then go to more settings, select SEO settings, go to website overview, and here click on edit first and select your second language or your website second language. In my case, it's Arabic. Click on save. And now don't forget to update your website. As you see, this is my second language and this is the first one. Here, to remove this EN standing for English, just go back to the website builder, switch to English, and go to pages and navigation and edit each page, rename. Here, delete a page with this URL already exists. Let's call it English. Click on save and hit update website. Just keep doing the same thing for the remaining menu items. And this is how to add a second language for your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.